Unity Alliance, Azerbaijan Without Political Prisoners, has presented its annual report on the situation of human rights in the country in 2013. As the head of the alliance, the former prisoner of conscience Elshan Hasanov said, "Last year did not meet expectations for improvements in human rights. On the contrary, the situation has grown much worse. The political and administrative arrests have not ceased since 1993. According to the report, particularly difficult situation exists in the prisons. For example, last year in the jails number 1 to 12 and 17, prisoners rioted because of torture, inhuman treatment, poor food, and demand of bribe. The riots were brutally suppressed by using special forces, and the leaders of rebels were tortured, Hasanov said. Thus, in jail number 1, 9 convicts stabbed themselves and 2 others cut their wrists in protest on October 31st. In addition, young activists serving administrative arrests were tortured in detention facilities. The report also gave a detailed account of the cases of death in jails. Suicide was committed by the believer Kamran Saidov after being forced to give false testimony against theologian Talih Bagirzadeh, the grandfather of the young activist Rashadat Akundov, who did not stand the falsified prosecution of his grandson and the threat of a 12-year sentence for him, also committed suicide. Another false witness in a political case, Sakavat Samadov, attempted suicide. None of these were investigated by the Penitentiary Service leadership or the Human Rights Commissioner. The report names the judges delivering the most unfair decisions: Ramela Alaverdieva, Rashid Husseinov, Javid Husseinov and Elchin Kazimov. A Golden Baton Prize was awarded to the head of the prison service Medat Guliev, who was ironically named the friend of prisoners. Commenting on the report, the spokesman of the prison service, Mehman Sadigov, said that the activities of this department is quite transparent and is under international and local control. The places of detention are regularly monitored by various public agencies, including the Office of Ombudsman. If torture really occurred, it would not have gone unnoticed and someone would have been punished. It is unclear to us what evidences this report is based on, and it evokes a feeling of regret," said Sadigov.